crosses the 500-meter mark. Speed at this stage at around 4 meters per second, slightly less, in fact, with the headwind. Caroline Brunet managing to stay with the Italian. Brunet, the gold medalist a year ago, Idem, the silver medalist. If it stays like this, they'll reverse that in '98. Profanter was the bronze medalist a year ago, but she's currently in 4th. Borchert was out of the medals a year ago, and she's currently in 3rd. Well, Josefa Idem allowed Caroline Brunet to get fairly close to her and then responded. And I wonder if psychologically that has dealt a blow to Caroline Brunet, having watched the Italian, her big rival, paddle away from her once again. Just over 200 meters to go, and Josefa Idem of Italy has half a length advantage over Caroline Brunet. Katrin Borchert of Australia in 3rd. And Idem looks untouchable now. The fight is going on behind her for the silver and bronze medals, but Idem will not be beaten. Josefa Idem of Italy powering for the finishing line and powering to take the gold medal at the World Championships. Caroline Brunet once again attempting to get back on level terms, but I think she's left it too late. Brunet closing the gap very slightly, but she needs to really power if she's going to take this away. It's too late, and Idem will take the gold, Brunet the silver, the reverse of a year ago, and this time the Australian Katrin Borchert comes through to take the bronze. Josefa Idem of Italy, world champion. Caroline Brunet did her level best to close down the Italian, but that final surge was just a little late in coming. Bronze medal to Katrin Borchert, the Australian. Again, a very close finish, as they all have been on this first finals day at the World Championships. Gold medal to Josefa Idem of Italy. Silver medal to Caroline Brunet of Canada. And the bronze to Katrin Borchert of Australia. Well, we'll take another quick commercial break. When we come back, we'll have action from another final that took place earlier. C1 men, 1,000 meters. That's next.